Shakas! What's up, crafty friends? It's Maka from Makaz Home. Thanks for coming back and joining me today. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I love having you join me here on my crafty journey, and I hope that you continue to follow along with me. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and next to that you'll find a bell. If you click that on, it'll notify you when I upload videos. So I am just sharing what I'm going to be working on next, and I have the December card kit and die hard kit from the Stamps of Life, and I'm just going to share with you what it comes with really quickly. So this month there's some chipboard pieces, and these chipboard pieces come with words and heart shapes. They look like clouds and flowers. So that'll be cute. I love the colors. And then we also have these flat back pieces, like gemmies. How cute are those? And then we also have some felt flowers. And everything, of course, coordinates. So yeah, there's those. And then of course we have the inspiration pieces. So that's what I'm going to be working on to start off with, to get my creative juices flowing. And then these are the sentiments. It comes with the sentiment stamp, and it just says, thanks with love, love you lots, happy birthday, a little note, love is sweet, here's to a year as special as you. Great sentiments. And then this is the dies that it comes with and the other stamp set. So this is the die club. And of course they coordinate. We also got another die in the card kit. And it just says love you, and then it has these hearts. The shadow hearts. So, and then of course this paper pad. Let's put that there. And then the paper pad, and I'll just flip through the pages really quick, but they're double-sided paper pad. Lovely, lovely. And you notice these flowers here, the dies will cut these flowers out as well. So whoop whoop, less work, no fussy cutting there. But yeah, so you get the gist of the paper here. And so that is what I'm going to be working on. I'm just going to be removing these things here. I use vent covers, magnetic vent covers that I get from Home Depot to back my metal dies on. So that's what I'm gonna do first, is get them in their little place. And then I buy these pouches from Amazon, and that's what I put the dies in. So yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for joining me here. And if you guys have any questions on the Stamps of Life or anything I've shown you, go ahead and leave it in the description box, the comment section below. Otherwise, have a great day and stay crafty. Till the next video. Shakas!